Welcome back to day 3 of our 30-day weight loss challenge. Today, we're diving into the concept of mindful eating. This is not about dieting or restrictions. It's about experiencing food more intensely and enjoying everything about it. Imagine savoring each bite, acknowledging the symphony of flavors dancing on your tongue. It's about tuning in and listening to your body, recognizing when you're truly hungry and when you're satisfied. This awareness allows us to break free from unhealthy eating patterns and make more conscious food choices. So before your next meal, take a few deep breaths to center yourself. As you eat, focus on the taste, texture, and sensation of each bite. Emotional eating is a common challenge, and mindfulness can be a powerful tool to break this habit. Often we turn to food not because we're physically hungry, but because we're experiencing intense emotions. This can lead to a cycle of overeating and guilt that's hard to break. But with mindfulness, we can learn to identify our emotions and address them directly, rather than using food as a coping mechanism. We can pause, acknowledge our feelings, and choose a more constructive response. Instead of reaching for that bag of chips, maybe we go for a walk, call a friend, or practice some deep breathing exercises. Keep a journal to track your emotions and the times you feel the urge to eat emotionally. Find alternative ways to cope with stress, such as going for a walk or practicing deep breathing exercises. Day 3 is about reconnecting with your body's hunger and fullness signals. This is a crucial part of mindful eating. Think of your hunger and fullness as a dial, from 0 to 10. 0 is the point where you're so hungry you could eat anything, while 10 is feeling so full that you're uncomfortable. The goal is to eat around a 3 or 4 when you're moderately hungry and stop around a 6 or 7 when you're satisfied but not overly full. This can help prevent overeating and foster a healthier relationship with food. So during your next meal, be mindful. Pay attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Put your fork down between bites and assess your level of satisfaction. Snacking mindfully can be a game changer in your weight loss journey. It's about more than just picking up a handful of almonds instead of a bag of chips. It's about truly being present in the moment, savoring each bite, and appreciating the nutrients you're giving your body. When we snack mindfully, we also tend to choose more nutrient-dense options, which are not only better for our bodies, but also more satisfying. So, the next time you reach for a snack, take a moment. Choose something that will nourish you. Sit down and really taste it. Avoid distractions like the TV or computer. This practice can help you avoid consuming more calories than needed. Prepare a mindful snack today. Sit down, focus on the flavors, and enjoy the moment without distractions.